Hello, lovely people. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do kokonte with okra soup. Konte cassava flour with okra soup. So as you can see, we are sieving our flour to make sure that we don't add any lump to the flour. So you have to sieve it very well to get out every lump from it. So that's what we are doing at the moment. So the person doing that is my mother, a pure Krobo woman. So if I tell you we are doing kokonte with okra soup, then you should know that this is going to be killer. Yeah, so you just follow the process. Make sure you don't miss any of it. So you just see the amount that you want to use, whether you want to have it plenty or just small for yourself. Just make sure that you are sieving it to get every lump out of it. So you just follow the process she used. So before you put in your flour, you have to make sure that your water is very hot. You fetch some and put aside, then you put your flour in it, then you stir it this way. You make sure that you are stirring it in just one direction till your flour mixed well with your hot water, else you are going to get a lot of lumps in it at the end of the day. So make sure that you are stirring it at just one direction. If you want to go right till your water blends with the flour. Yeah, so just as you can see in the video, that's what my mom is doing. That's what she's doing. Yeah, I think I didn't get a lot of videos for you because I just worked in on her doing that. So now you do this to make sure that your flour is being cooked very well. So we are moving to our okra soup. The okra has already been cooked. Just put in all your protein, any protein you want, crab, meat, fish, anything that you want, snails, anything that you want to add. Just add it and then you steam it for some time. After steaming it, then we realized that the pot we were using was small, so we changed the pot. But first you put in all your blended ingredients. I'll put that below at the description box, into your palm oil, your hot palm oil. Then you fry that for a while. After frying that for a while, you are going to add your protein. So after, as you can see, we change the pot. After adding your protein, you add all your seasonings. Any seasonings you want to use, you just add everything. After that, you put in your okra. As I said earlier, when I came back, I was very tired. So I was like, okay, today let me just video you cooking, so that people will know how you make your meals. So I didn't, in fact, I enjoyed the meal, so I didn't get a lot of pictures for you guys. But thank you for watching. Mwah.